Hey, good day to all of you out there. This is Prosperous Wellbeing with Mike, and today I'm super excited because today is a day where we're going to be able to show you the video and talk to you about the tools and systems you need to grow your home-based business or your business opportunity, or even whatever product or digital marketing or affiliate product, whatever it is. Listen, this is what I know. I've been involved with this industry for many, many years and come across affiliate marketing and digital marketing tools and MLM and direct sales. And the only thing that ever worked is when we had a tool and a system in place that brought people to you. So, what I'm going to do is talk about the essential tools that you need to grow your business opportunity, whether it's an MLM opportunity, whether it's direct sales, whether it's brick and mortar, whether it be any type of home-based business, whether it be an affiliate marketing or digital marketing tool, whatever it is that you have, okay? The importance of having a system dependent, okay, tool like a sales funnel and a landing page. Okay, let me explain to you exactly how a sales funnel works. Okay, what I'm going to do though, as well, is I'm going to put a link in the description below and I'm going to walk you through our system, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly what you get with our incredible one-click funnel system that works on autopilot for you. So, listen, so a sales funnel is basically this, okay? You see an offer from somebody, okay? Say it's a product that is going to help somebody lose weight. Maybe it's a protein shake, build muscle. Protein shake, build muscle. If you want the best whey protein with all the best branched chain amino acids in it, the best quality whey protein, no fillers, all natural, then try this shake out. Just click the link here and it will send you to what? It sends you to a landing page. We've all been there before. You guys have all been there before. When you see somebody offering you something and then it says, enter your best email, this is a sales funnel. Okay. First, you got the sales page. The sales page then leads you to the landing page. Okay. The landing page is where you're going to enter your email information. Okay. That's where you're going to enter the email information so that you get the free product on the other side, whether it be a free ebook or a free video to watch or whatever it is, you'll get it on the other side once you enter your email. Okay. Once you enter your email, okay, what happens is your email gets put into what they call their autoresponder, okay, or CRM system, it can be called as well. So, like Aweber or GetResponse or MailChimp or whatever it is like that. I use GetResponse. So, anyways, that email gets put in their system. Okay. And that's why, okay, you got to understand people usually don't buy until like the seventh time that they see something. So you get put in their email, okay, and it's like a drip process. They're slowly, slowly putting their offer in front of you, okay, several times. People don't, people don't like to usually buy in the first time, right? It usually takes like seven times for someone to purchase. So that's your autoresponder series. Okay, then you click on the link inside the email, okay, and it takes you to their whatever they have to offer. Okay. So that's basically the sales funnel. You have something great that people want. Okay. You're filling the void to their problem. You have the solution. You're solving their problem. They're going to click on your link. Okay, after reading what type of problem you're going to solve for them, it takes them to a landing page. That landing page, you're going to enter your email. That email goes to an autoresponder, which you are now on what we call a list. Okay, so think about this. How would you like it if you got a great product, I'm sure. Okay. You put together a great sales offer. People look at your sales offer. It takes them to the landing page. They enter their email, okay, so that they can see your final offer. What, how awesome is it to have people always looking for what you have? And now anytime you want, you can send a message to them all the time. I mean, you don't want to spam the heck out of them, but they've entered their email so they can learn more from you, or you can offer them, say, hey, come to my free webinar, come to my free Zoom class, come to my free training class. I'm offering a free training class on how to, put together a sales funnel. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, that's how a sales funnel works. Okay. And why does it matter? Why does a system matter? Okay. The system matters because it's automated. You don't have to do it. You don't have to work 24/7, okay, to get this to work. So this gets emailed to them on maybe day one after being in the system, day two after being in the, or day three. Maybe you got set up for day one, three, five, seven, nine, 11. So for you have it, it's automated. Everything is automated. And say they see it for the seventh time and all of a sudden they buy. They go to your offer and they purchase from you. And all of a sudden you wake up in the middle of the night and you've got a sale. So think about this. After you do this for many, many months, I suggest you do it for many, many years. Okay. The money is in the list. Okay. The money is in the list. The more people that have looked at your offer, the more people that you're going to be able to drip on and drip on and drip on. Okay, so if you had a great offer and being, um, you keep doing consistently daily methods of operation, which are very key and important. You keep doing daily methods of operation, okay, on a daily basis. Maybe it's content on your Facebook page. Maybe it's a video you do every day on YouTube. Whatever it is, it's about getting eyeballs on your offer all the time. And before you know it, you got thousands of people that are looking for what you have. And then it's going to be to the day where you wake up and you got two or three sales. Okay. And you're able to put $200 to $400 in your pocket in a day. Or maybe you got 10 or 12 sales in a week. And now you're surpassing what you've never thought was imaginable. Okay. You're making more money from your home-based business than you were ever working at your full-time job that you could ever conceivably think about doing. Okay. So it's about having a system dependent um, opportunity. That's what a sales funnel is. It's system dependent. You're dependent on that system. I mean, you're not dependent on a system, but it's just the system works for you so you don't have to. Okay. That's what you got to understand. The system is working for you 24/7, 24 hours, 7 days a week, that it can be bringing money in for you. Okay, bringing in sales for you, bringing in clients for you, bringing in customers for you. It doesn't matter what it is. Okay, bringing people into your storefront, whatever it is for you. This is what a sales funnel will do. Okay. Again, what I want to do is I want to, you know, there'll be a link below, okay, in the description where I'm going to walk you through how simple it is. If you've got the right tools and systems in place, literally, I can build a landing page in less than 10 seconds. Okay, in less than 10 seconds. Okay, so it's critical for you to understand, okay, that it's really not that difficult. if you have a burning desire to create change in your life and you have a burning desire to create an income in your life, if you have a burning desire to do whatever it takes, okay, to create success and time freedom for you and your family, you definitely have it here. So, so this is awesome. So again, what I want you to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, check out the link that's going to be in the subscription. Um, and I'm going to I'll have a video put together on how easy it is within our system, okay, that we have, that I have, that you can have, okay, access to, okay. I'll also leave the link below, which is dffworkwithmike.com. That's gffworkwithmike.com. Okay. I'm sure you see it on the screen right now anyways. But that's my sales funnel. Okay. That's what you can have. You can have people basically knocking on your door 24/7. You can pull down sales 24/7. Okay. We have a marketing system, the one-click sales funnel that runs on autopilot, that, okay, that you can resell our digital product if you don't have a home-based business. If you don't have a product, our sales funnel, okay, our digital marketing product is 100% commissionable, which means you can either earn $200 on a sale, $500 on a sale, $1,000 on a sale, or even up to $2,000 on a sale. And I got to share with you, every Monday, you have an opportunity to come to a live Zoom that we do, okay? And we can show you our system. We can show you how you can put two, five, 1,000 or $2,000 in your pocket with just one sale. I've been involved with some, you know, MLM companies. It takes you years to create $2,000 a month, and you can do it simply with this system. You can create a $200 sale, a $500 sale, a $1,000 sale, or a $2,000 sale in no time at all. Okay, so I'm excited for you guys because I know you're in the right place at the right time, and I I am excited about not only my journey, but I'm excited about your journey as well. So thanks again for being here. Again, subscribe, hit the like button. Again, below we'll have a link in the description. And I would love to be able to get you on the Monday night call, a free overview Zoom call, see how we can set you up for success and set up a system that will work just for you and be system independent, working for you 24/7. All right, make it your best day ever. Have a great day. Bye bye.